Hey, it's detox season. Let's talk about a proper detox. So here's the first two things to consider. A, don't buy a chemical detox. It doesn't make any sense at all to use chemicals to try to detoxify your body. And B, don't think about just using activated charcoal. Activated charcoal only removes toxins from the digestive system. Your body already has a natural detox system, so what you really want to do is get that part of your body working. So that's going to include your tonsils, your lymph nodes, your kidneys, your liver, all of the stuff that naturally detoxifies your body. And in order to do that, you're going to have to use multiple different herbs. Now, the reason why you're going to use different herbs is you have to get all of those parts of your body working at the exact same time. So you use a blend of herbs, which gets your entire body's detox system on overdrive. It's going to help get your body detoxifying as quickly as humanly possible. So with over 30 years of experience doing this, I've developed a specific blend to get the body detoxifying all by itself. First, you start with milk thistle seed. Milk thistle seed helps to boost liver function almost immediately. Then you have kudzu root. Kudzu root also helps to support liver function, but it also breaks down the toxins that are in the liver, which helps them get removed safely from the body. Then we go to cleaver's herb. This one is great for your lymphatic system. This is going to help clean out the lymphatic system. The lymph system is the one that actually gums up first. This is going to be in your armpits, under your tongue, and by your groin area. Then we go to dandelion root. Dandelion root is known to be good for the liver. It helps support digestive function, and it's great for the kidneys. Burdock root is the next ingredient. This one's also great for your blood, and it also helps to support kidney function. And last, but certainly not least, is chaparral leaf. This is a very rough herb, and taking too much of it can be bad for your liver. However, you are already taking two other herbs that support liver function and remove those alkaloid toxins that could cause damage. And you're not using enough chaparral in the blend in order to be able to cause any type of damage. But chaparral is well known for its ability to remove heavy metals and other types of toxins from the body. Now, the coolest part about this, and you're probably asking this question, what about the binders, herb guy? You don't need any binders because the binders are all in the herbs that you're taking. Binders are simply compounds that attach to toxins that are in your body and remove them. And all of the herbs that are mentioned have those compounds. So, no binders required, you've already got them. This is my blend for an all-natural full-body detox. This particular program is a 7-day program. You use it 3 times daily. You can make it into a tea, you can make it into capsules, but my personal preference and scientifically the best way to do this would be to use it as an alcohol-based extract. Now, if you don't know how to make a tincture or an alcohol-based extract, that's really very simple. Just pop on over to my Patreon page, and that particular process is available for free for everybody.